If you're in the construction industry, today I am going to show you how you can make more money. Hi, I'm Jamal with RUCI. I'm sure some of you are looking behind me wondering, Jamal, what's a RUCI ROI calculator? Well, it's going to show you how much money you're leaving on the table by missing business calls. With RUCI, which stands for Rise Up and Crush It, because we want you to rise up in your business and crush it in sales. Our missed call text back feature can make sure you never miss a business call again, which will put extra money back in your pocket. Now, our RUCI ROI calculator can calculate that money for you. First, we're going to put it here is your average client value. And in the construction industry, it's 100 grand. Now, there's obviously some variables that go into this. Sometimes people might want a new bathroom, new floors. But just to start and make a new home or build a new home, we're going to go with $100,000. That's about how much it costs to start a new home, depending on where you live, what state. Here in Texas, this is just what I looked up, $100,000 to build a new home. So that's going to go in your first column. And then how many missed calls your construction company has per month? 3. Now, some of y'all probably, or actually all of y'all probably have someone that answers the phone all the time. You're probably not going to miss a whole lot of calls, which is why I put a very low number, 3. Because, of course, you're going to go to lunch. You could be on a call for an hour, maybe 2 hours, helping a client. So you might miss 3 a month on average. And then the next column, the conversion rate for a construction company based on their ads, 9%. And then we click on the calculate button and look there. Wow. $27,000 you're leaving on the table by missing just 3 business calls. Imagine if you missed like 6, 7, or 10. This is just 3. You're losing $27,000 just by missing 3 business calls. I don't know about you, but I don't want to lose $27,000. And if you just invest $30 a month with us for our missed call text back feature, which will send an automatic text reply to that phone call you missed saying, sorry I missed your call, how can I help? Which will stop them from shopping somewhere else. And your ROI on that, 90,000%. I mean, you can't beat that. It's a no-brainer. Now, sign up with us. This is the website you're going to go to, checkout.ruci.io/home. Start your 14-day free trial to see if you like it. Test it out. There's no contracts. We're not going to lock you down for 3 to 5 years. We're not going to pressure you. We just want you to test it and see how you like it for 2 weeks, free, on us. If you have any other questions, here's our email address, chat@ruci.io, and comment down below if you have any questions, comments, concerns where you need an immediate response. And hit the like button if you like the content. Hit that subscribe button if you want to have a notification anytime I make a video or have any other RUCI updates. And share this video with as many people as you know that could use an extra 27 grand in their pocket. I'm so honored by your time. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Have an amazing day.